Hi there, Adita Lang. Thanks for joining me for today's 60-minute class. And we are going to be combining some cardio. We're going to do a little bit of fancy footwork and some kickboxing. And then we are also going to focus on some legs and abs. Are you in? Let's get this done. Both legs straight out. I want you to take a really big deep breath up. And as you exhale, round it over and hold. Now just stack your spine. So pull it up really straight. Get your shoulders way back. And again, inhale up. And exhale, round it over. Press it over to one side. And take it over to the other and hold it there. And now just bring it straight across. There we go. So you want to see you bend the knees right at the center. Full inhale and full exhale. There we go. One more time. Now bring it straight ahead. Push the arms straight out and curl that leg. There we go. So today we're going to combine a little bit of everything. We're going to do a lot of legs and abs. And we're going to do a little kickboxing because that's always kind of fun. One more time. Now bring it straight across.